Get ready for Yoga Nidra. It is meant to reset your nervous system. You might imagine this process like a massage for your brain. This practice is meant to help you drop into the deepest states of rest and relaxation. So let yourself come to rest in your cozy and warm Yoga Nidra nest, making sure that you have everything that you need to get completely comfortable. Put a small pillow behind your head or the knees, maybe a blanket and an eye covering to block out any light in your space. As you nest in, make sure that you take any adjustments necessary to get fully comfortable. And then take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale, letting the jaw soften, letting go of all of the air. Letting everything go with a gentle, long exhale. And one more time, deep inhale, and releasing, letting the body become heavy, sinking into the support beneath you. Relaxing the jaw, the tongue, all of the muscles around and behind the eyes. All of the muscles in the forehead. Becoming effortless. Imagine this relaxation of the tissues migrating down through the whole body. Shoulders, arms, hands, belly, pelvis, and legs, all the way down towards the toes. Try to stay awake and follow my voice through the journey. Try not to focus too hard. Just be with the flow naturally. If at any time during the practice you feel uncomfortable or activated, please open your eyes and sit down. As you begin to settle in, notice any sounds you can hear. You don't need to judge it as good or bad or label the sound, just notice it. Start with the most distant sound, then gradually bring your attention to the closest sound, just outside and then inside this room. Shift your attention to the sound of your own body, that you can hear your heart beating. This life force supplying your physical body with vital oxygenated blood. Without opening your eyes, envision space around you, the walls, the ceiling, the floor, objects in the room, the furniture, your body laying on a mat. Picture your whole body, seeing your whole body, relaxed and still. Your whole body, your whole body, your whole body. Now set your sankalpa, or intention for your practice. What is important for you right now? Your intention could be the first thing that comes to your mind. Try to keep it short and simple. Once you realize your intention, repeat it 3 times. Now say to yourself, I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I will not fall asleep. I practice Yoga Nidra. I am awake and relaxed. Imagine yourself laying on a beach. You can feel the soft sand beneath your body. Not a single cloud to be found in the bright blue sky. The fresh breeze gently touches your hair, and the sunlight covers your skin. You can smell salt in the air, and hear the sound of gentle waves breaking on the shore. With every inhale you take, the waves rise, and with every exhale, they fall. As you rest here, still and relaxed, the waves begin to ease the way to the shore, closer and closer to you, welcoming you out to sea. Inhale, waves rise. Exhale, waves fall. Every inhale pulls the waves higher, and every exhale spreads them along the shore, closer and closer to your body. The friendly water reaches out, covering your right hand. You feel the sensation of the crisp, fresh water, covering the right thumb, the second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the palm of the hand, the back of your hand. It makes its way over the wrist to the forearm, elbow, upper arm. Water rinses over your right shoulder, the armpit, waist, hip, thigh, knee, ankle, heel, and the sole and top of the foot. Your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, all covered in this fresh, mystical water. The water retreats, and the next time it reaches over the left side of your body. Covering the entire right side, now it's covering the left side. You feel the sensation of the crisp, fresh water covering the left thumb, the second finger, the third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the palm of the hand, the back of your hand. It makes its way over the wrist to the forearm, elbow, upper arm. Water rinses over your left shoulder, the armpit, waist, hip, thigh, knee, ankle, heel, and the sole and top of the foot. Your left big toe, your second toe, the third toe, the fourth toe, the fifth toe, all covered in this fresh, mystical water. The friendly water reaches out again, brushing your right hand, the thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the palm, the back of the hand, the wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm. The water crisps its way higher and higher and submerges your legs, hips, shoulders, spine, your entire body, your whole body. Your head, your eyes, your nose, your entire face are now under the water, but your breathing is unaffected. The current invites you to get deeper, pulling you away from the shore. With every inhale, you rise on a peak of a wave beneath you, and with every exhale, you get a bit deeper into the water as you count backwards from 27 to 1. 27, inhale, wave rises. 27, exhale, wave falls. 26, inhale, wave rises. 26, exhale, wave falls. 25, inhale, wave rises. 25, exhale, wave falls. You can keep count. If you mess up the count, you should start from 27 again. Remain awake and aware as you count 27 to 1. Now stop counting and imagine your body becomes light and weightless. Feel the water receding beneath your body as you begin to flow, levitating above the water. You drift higher away from the water, like a balloon floating in the bright blue sky. You feel the warmth of the sun. You float, light as air. Now imagine your body becoming heavy. And now you begin to fall. Down, down into the ocean's embrace. Your body melts through the surface of the ocean, and you continue sinking deeper and deeper. Your breathing is unaffected in this mystical sea. You grow heavier and heavier. The sunshine drifts further and further as you sink into the dark, deep ocean. This clear water appears black, and the sunlight disappears. Your body is getting colder and colder now as you sink further away from the sun. The warm sun is nowhere in sight. As you continue to drift into the mystical water, aware and relaxed, you sense nothing but dark space as far as you can see. You are completely alone. Eventually, you can see a red squid below your feet, and as it makes its way across your gaze, it changes its color from red to orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. As the squid shifts from red to violet, you sense the unfolding of your own inner spectrum from root to crown. You continue to drift in the endless sea. Your whole body is relaxed. The whole body, the whole body, the whole body. Observe yourself in the state of being. You can return here anytime. Repeat the intention you said to yourself in the beginning of the practice. When you're ready, shift your awareness back into this room. Visualize your body lying on the mat, completely relaxed. See the air entering and exiting your body. Lie quietly here until you're ready to move. When you're ready, you can roll over to your side and then make your way to a seated position. Carry the stillness of this ocean within you. The practice of Yoga Nidra is complete.